Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and in this channel I'm a chef. So today I'm here to help you with making chapati. I have some tips and tricks on how to make soft chapati. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified every time we post. And now let's get into it.
First you'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, mix it up, then add 1 tablespoon of margarine, rub it into the flour until it has a crumbly texture. We'll be using cold water, so add in your water little by little as you mix until your dough is soft and not sticking onto your fingers. Unga yako ikikaa hivi, you know ni mara mwisho unaongeza maji, so you add a little water. Then you knead the dough. Now dust the surface. We are moving on to kneading on the countertop. And knead. Kneading is basically folding and pulling. Folding and pulling. You fold and stretch the dough. Fold and stretch the dough. Do this until the dough is soft. How will you know when it's soft? When you push it, you make a hole, the dough puffs up. Kneading is what makes the chapatis soft, so usiogope kukanda unga. Kama huwezi kanda unga, well, you'll be eating crepes for chapatis for years. Well, kneading is the secret. You just fold and stretch. Fold and stretch. Add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, then knead. Cover the dough with a kitchen cloth and leave it for at least 40 minutes. Dust the surface with flour and then roll the dough. Dust your rolling pin with flour so that the dough doesn't stick on it. Brush oil on top of the dough. Now you can divide it, like cut it into stripes or roll it inwards and then cut it. So it depends on you. You do what suits you. You fold the stripe into two and then roll it into a coil. That's what I do. Repeat the process until you're done with the whole dough. Now it's time to roll the chapati. Pick your coils, flatten them with some flour on your hands, and then you roll outwards. Roll outwards, forming a circular shape, and ensure you don't roll just the middle part and the edges too, because you might make the middle part too thin and the edges too thick because you didn't roll out the edges. Roll out the edges to make sure your chapati is evenly flat and spread out. I rolled out my chapatis first before I started cooking because I didn't want to be controlled by the heat. Okay, so continue with the same process until you're done with all the coils, and then you get to heating it up. In a hot pan, place the rolled out chapatis and fry each side with little oil on medium heats. This small chapo has a lot of memories. I remember when I was small, my mom used to give me a small piece of dough to roll my chapati with. This is what taught us how to make chapati. Most of us, I know tuko wengi, najua. This is the chapo that told you, that lied to you, that you can make chapati. Nasio ndo umekanda unga. But okay, we learn anyway. But this is what taught us, most of us, how to make chapati. Your mother gives you a small piece of dough, you roll it out and then you cook it. When she's done with her cooking, or when she's still cooking, depending on her patience with you. Yeah. Fun times. Ooh, and that's how you make chapatis, soft chapatis. Now see, let's test for you to see how it is. Yep, soft chapatis. The secret is kneading. Kanda unga, usiogope kukanda unga. Ukiogopa kukanda unga, hautaitengeneza chapati nzuri. So patience. And that's it for today.
That's how we make soft chapatis. The tip is, knead your dough. You'll need to knead your dough. You have no excuse, no shortcut, none of the above. You knead the dough. Fold and stretch. You fold and stretch with your hands like this. Fold, stretch, and that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified every time we post. And that's it. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next week.